Good morning, dear students. As we all know that CBSE has announced and declared the reduction in the syllabus of class 9 to 12th due to this COVID-19 pandemic. In grade 11th, in all the subjects, CBSE has reduced the syllabus up to 33%. Here, we will discuss about the reduction in syllabus in the subject Business Studies. So let's see what all topics has been deleted from our current syllabus. Dear students, we have done a comparative analysis of the syllabus of 2019-20 and 2021. On the left hand side, you will see it is the syllabus of 2019 and 20. On the right hand side, the syllabus of 2020 and 21. This is the current years. Here in chapter 1, which is nature and purpose of business, in chapter 1 there is no any change proposed by the CBSE. Chapter 2, forms of business organization. Forms of business organization, there is one major change which the CBSE has done, that is choice of form of business organization. So here the CBSE changed the choice of form of business organization. Only one topic CBSE has deleted. Both the chapter, that is chapter number 1 and 2, are of 16 marks this year. Chapter 3rd, private, public and global enterprises. Here CBSE has changed one major topic, that is global enterprises, its features, joint ventures, public-private partnership, its concepts. So this is the major change which CBSE has made in chapter number 3. Now in chapter number 4, which is business services, here in chapter number 4, CBSE has deleted postal services, in which mail, registered post, parcel, speed post, courier services, its meanings has been deleted from this chapter. So chapter 3 and 4 is consist of 14 marks. So there is no change in the total marking. Chapter number 5, which is emerging modes of business. In chapter number 5, only one topic is deleted, that is business process outsourcing, BPO. Here, discuss the need for business process outsourcing and appreciate the scope of business process outsourcing has been deleted from the syllabus. In chapter number 6, only one chapter number 6, that is social responsibility of business and business ethics. Here also the topic which is deleted, that is business ethics, which is define the concept of business ethics and state the elements of business ethics. It means the business ethic topic has been deleted from the syllabus, and both the chapter is of 10 marks. Chapter number 7, that is sources of business finance. Chapter number 7, sources of business finance. There is one topic which is deleted from the syllabus, is borrowed fund. Here, intercorporate deposits and its concept is also deleted. So the borrowed fund is consist of like loan from banks and debentures, etc. These all comes under the category of borrowed fund. So here they have specifically mentioned intercorporate deposits and its concept has been deleted from the syllabus. In chapter number 8, which is small business, nothing has been deleted from chapter number 8. Both the chapter is of 20 marks. Chapter number 9, that is internal trade, or we can also say the domestic trade. In chapter number 9, which is deleted, the topic which is deleted are types of retail trade, itinerant and small scale fixed shops, retailers, GST, that is goods and service taxes, its concept. This has been deleted from chapter number 9. Chapter number 9 and 10 are of 20 marks. So we will see chapter number 10 on the next slide. Chapter number 10, that is international trade. Here, CPSC has deleted export of trade, its meaning and procedure, import trade, meaning and procedure, documents involved in international trades, indent, letter of credit, shipping order, shipping bills, mate receipts, DADP, World Trade Organization, its meanings and objectives. So these are the topics which is deleted from the chapter number 10, that is international trade. So we have seen that there are 10 chapters, and all the chapters which the topics from all the chapters which has been deleted by the CBSE, we have discussed it. If you have any problem related to any topic, you can give me a message or give me a call also. We will clear your all the doubts. And the sources from where we have taken this information is the CBSE's official website, that is cbseacademic.nic.in, revised curriculum 2020 underscore 2020-21.html. This is the source from where we got this information about the changes or the deletion of the topics from your syllabus. Thank you all. Thank you for listening it very patiently. Thanks once again.